Hello, children. Let us start our day with today's thought. If we try, we only risk failure. But if we don't try, we ensure failure. So always keep trying. It means when you do any work, we may either fail or succeed in doing that work. But if we don't try, we surely fail. So we should always keep trying. Children, so always keep trying. Today we will see the next topic, that is from unit 2, topic 2.8, reading time. Children, observe these pictures carefully. What do you see in these pictures? Yes, there are some musical instruments. In this lesson, we are going to understand about musical instruments. Let us see them one by one. Children, have you seen this picture? This is called harmonium. 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 Student, you must have seen a singer. When he is singing, he is using this harmonium with his singing. Now the next is called tabla dagga. Along with the singer, one player is playing tabla. So this big one is called dagga and this smaller one, this is called tabla. Now the another instrument is called piano. Piano, piano. Here are some keys. A player plays these keys and music comes out of that. So it is called piano. Children, do you know what is this? It is called as mridang. 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 It has two sides. Can you see? It has two sides, 1 and 2. A player plays it with his both hands. So it is called as mridang. Now, children, have you seen this instrument? This is called veena. 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 This instrument is used in Indian classical singing as a accompanying instrument. Now the next one is, you must be knowing this. This is a flute. You have seen this instrument in Lord Krishna's hand. He plays the flute. So the spelling of flute is Flute, flute. Children, have you seen this instrument? When your grandma sings bhajans for God, she uses this. It is called as cymbals. 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 You must have also played this. Yes or no? Yes. Now student, these were the few musical instruments and we have seen the information regarding this instrument. Now we will solve the exercise given on page number 29. We will do this exercise. Okay. So here are, so what is that? 2.8 reading time. Read the following words and match them with their pictures. So here the name of the instruments are given on one side, and on the other side the pictures of the instruments are given, and you have to match the names along with the pictures. Okay, so we will see this. The words are given: harmonium, tabla dagga, veena, mridang, piano, flute and cymbals. Now we will match them with their pictures. See children, I have matched over here. The first one is harmonium. Which is harmonium? See, this is harmonium. The next is tabla dagga. So this is the tabla and dagga. Veena. Can you see? This is the veena. Now the next one is mridang. Now you can identify this. This is mridang. Then the next one is piano. So you all identify the piano. The next one is flute. Flute is given at the last, and then the last one is cymbals. So these are the cymbals. So match this name of the pictures to their pictures. Okay. Now we will see the next exercise. Exercise number B. Read the following sentence aloud. Children, you also have to read these sentences at your house. All these sentences here we will learn how to read. Okay. So the first one is Vishal plays the, this is the picture of, yes, correct, harmonium well. He cannot play the violin. Number 2, Sanjana plays the, what is this? Yes, correct, that is tabla dagga well. She cannot play the piano. Now the next one, third number is Shubham plays the piano well. He can play the harmonium too, because the keys of both the harmonium and piano, they are same. That's why he is able to play both the instrument well. My mother learns vocal music. She plays the veena when she sings. My friend plays the cymbals in the school band. He cannot play the mridang because both the instruments are played differently. So he can play musical band, but he cannot play the mridang. So in this way you have to read these sentences. Now it's time for your homework. Write and learn all the spellings of musical instrument in your English copy number 1. So children, now we have completed this chapter. So learn the spellings, complete your work. We will see you in the next period. Till then, thank you and happy learning.